2026 is all about AI automation, and businesses that still reply manually are already falling behind. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I built a smart WhatsApp chatbot flow for gyms that can handle customer inquiries, show membership plans, book free trials, and automate gym lead collection completely using Pabbly Chatflow. So hi everyone, today's tutorial is going to be extremely valuable for gym owners, fitness centers, personal trainers and even agencies providing automation services to fitness businesses. Because in this video, we are building a complete automated WhatsApp chatbot for gym bookings using Pabbly Chatflow. Nowadays, almost every business is moving towards automation because customers expect instant replies. Especially fitness businesses receives hundreds of repetitive questions like what are your membership charges, can I book trial, gym timings and many more. Replying manually every single time wastes a lot of time. That's why businesses are now using WhatsApp chatbots to automate customer communication. Now the reason I personally like Pabbly Chatflow is because it makes chatbot creation extremely simple. Inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can build a complete WhatsApp chatbot flow visually, add buttons and interactive replies, automate WhatsApp responses and manage everything from one place. So whether you are a business owner or an agency, this tool can save a huge amount of time. So first let me show you the complete chatbot flow that we are building today. So here's the starting point of the flow, that is trigger. Now whenever the user will set any of these keywords to the WhatsApp chatbot, then automatically the bot gets triggered. I'll show you this in real time. See, as soon as I sent a message as hi, immediately I received an amazing welcome message and it includes 3 quick buttons, exactly same that I have set it in the next steps. See, this is the same content as welcome to Fit Zone Gym and Fitness. How can I help you today? With 3 quick buttons as membership plans, talk to trainer and view gym images. Let's say I want to view the gyms. So I am clicking on this button and you will see how smartly the chatbot send me a gym images. It is only made possible with the help of this connection that I have made between the circle which are present in front of this view gym images to this media node. See, this media node contains all the 4 images that I have received here. Now let's say I want to view the membership plan. So I am selecting this option and the next. At first the chatbot is asking me to select the plan that I am selecting as VIP membership, and immediately it shares me the pricing and the details about the VIP membership plan. Let's say I want to book a free trial. So I am clicking on this button. After that it is asking me for my full name. Let's say I give it as Rahul Singh. I have given this as a test example, and next it is asking me to provide the date for booking the trial session. So I send the date as well and my contact number, and see, within a second I received a trial session request received message from the chatbot. And look at this message, it is fully personalized, means it includes the exact same name that I have given here and the same plan type too. So this is how the chatbot works in real time, and this is the flow of this chatbot that I have designed inside Pabbly Chatflow Flow Builder. Trust me, the creation of this flow is the easiest thing that I have ever done. You just have to add the buttons that are present on the left hand side and just change the content. For adding this node, you just have to take this text button from here and enter the message content in this field. After that, for adding a quick buttons, you just have to click on this plus add button and customize the same button just like this. I have designed this completely based on my choice. Now for creating this type of list message, you just have to take this list button from here and customize the same button too. Means enter the header, body, footer. After that, click on this edge section button. Next, click on this plus add items button and add items as many as you want inside these fields. So this is how easily you can do the setup of list node. After that, the contact custom field. Contact custom fields are the user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, plan type, contact number and many more. In simple terms, these are used for sending personalized message to each each users completely based on their input, just like this. Here, as soon as I have selected the membership plan as VIP membership, it will automatically mention it in front of this plan field. It is only made possible with the help of these contact custom fields that I have selected in each of these node as a plan type. For creating a contact custom field, you just have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Next, whenever the user will select the plan type as standard plan, then my bot will send them this type of message that includes the pricing details and the facilities that are comes inside this plan, and one quick button by the name of book free trial. In real time, the message delivered like this. As I already explained you about this, for setting up this type of message, take this text button from here and add the button name too. See, I have done the same for 2 times more for both of these membership types too, and I designed this based on my choice. You can customize it completely based on your own business, add more steps, enhance this more, change the content, and do anything based on the requirement. After that, whenever the user will click on this book free trial button, then bot will ask them to share their full name. So for asking the question, I have taken this question node. You can take this by clicking on this actions option, and see, here is the ask question node. After that, just write the question in this enter message box, select the contact custom field from here, and the format that I am selecting as text, as name should always in the format of text. Takes a number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times you give retry attempts to your users for answering this question. It also works like this. Here you have selected the format as text, but user will reply to the bot in the format of number or any other format except text, and your bot does not give them any reply. So for handling this type of situations, you just have to increase the number of attempts for your user so that they can re-answer this question. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. In the next, moving forward, next I added 2 more question node. The process of adding questions in the flow will be the same, where in this question node I ask the user to share the date for booking the free trial, and in this I ask for the contact number, and lastly I again set it the text button, and you can see this message contains dollar symbol in front of some fields, that is the full name, date, contact number, and the plan type. Now why I have used this dollar symbol? So see, this is the contact custom field symbol, and with the help of this symbol the bot will reply to the users dynamically, completely based on their input. Here in this step, whenever the user will share their full name, then with the help of this contact custom field full name, the bot will capture the user's provided response and mention their specific name in this place. This is same for all the rest of these contact custom fields too. So this is how contact custom fields work. In real time, the message will tell you what like this. It is only made possible with the help of these contact custom fields and this dollar symbol. Now the next button is talk to trainer. Whenever the user will click on this button, then bot shares them the contact details about the trainer. I'll show you this in real time. See, as soon as I click on this talk to trainer button, then it shares me the contact details of the trainer. After that, the last button, that is view gym images. Whenever the user will click on this button, then bot shares the images of gym. So for setting up this type of message, you just have to take this media button from here, select the media type as image, and upload the image related to your business from your gallery. So this is how easily image get uploaded. Now for adding more, you just have to click on this plus add content button, select the content type as media button, again select the media type as image, and upload one more image. I am just doing a copy paste because I have already set this message node before. Here my objective is only to teach you how you can use the button inside Pabbly Chatflow Flow Builder. So this is how easily you can create a WhatsApp chatbot by using Pabbly Chatflow. After the completion of your flow, you just have to click on the save button so that your flow will be saved and updated. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. If you like this tool and you want to create the same chatbot, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. It is going to be really very valuable and beneficial for you and your business as well. So go and purchase it. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.